This is the elevator at the IKEA store. But this one goes down to Market Hall. I got the cart.
You got the camera, I'll get the cart.
I'll get the cart. I can hold the cart and camera at the same time.
Yes, I believe you can.
I'll push in the elevator. Mad buttons. Elevator number 4. This also used to be Dover. It used to be oil hydraulic. What? Let's wait until we get to the elevator.
There might be folks. Wait, come on. I have a chance.
Here it is.
There's nobody in there.
Originally Dover. Go down. Which floor are you going to? One? One? Yeah, these are mad buttons. Door close button does not. Oh, it did work.
Works a little elevator, not so loud.
This is 2,500 pound capacity. And as always, we're taking a round trip.
Oh, we're gonna go back up?
It's a nice elevator. So Schindler did a pretty good job modernizing this one. Sad these used to be Dover.
You got thinking.
Pretty good cab. Their fixtures, they're mad, or PTL. ADA compliant phone. That's not a button.
What happens if you hit this?